FTP is one of those early protocols on the internet, long before the World Wide Web. One of the first things we wanted to do was be able to transfer documents back and forth, whole files from one computer, say one university, to another, or from one government office to another, and FTP filled the bill. So FTP actually runs on two different ports. It has a port 21 and a port 20. One of those ports is used as the command channel to actually send the commands back and forth that the document is needed and that it acknowledges that it's going to send the document and so on. And then the other port is used as a data channel, usually port 20 if we use 21 as the command channel, or 21 if we use 20 as the command channel, or it can be some other random port number. And now the file transfer takes place on that second port. So one port used to issue and respond to commands, the other port used to send data. Now it is assumed that the file server is always available, that it's always online and ready to respond. Just like a web server today, we expect it to be there and available when we ask for a web page. Well, the FTP expects the FTP server to be available in order to serve up a document. And it does not typically use a browser. It uses its own client-server programs such as FileZilla or FireFTP, Fugu. There are many others. And here's an example, by the way, and this one was actually done on a browser because today browsers typically are capable of doing FTP. So here, instead of HTTP, I said FTP, and then the address of the FTP server was ftp.adobe.com. And this is what I got back when I did an FTP of Adobe, ftp.adobe.com server. And these are the documents then that I can transfer to my computer.